Okay, so we're going to capture this District 3 street, and I'm just going to walk directly down that street for about 10 minutes and just kind of give you an idea of what it's like around here. Some pretty cool cafes. And there a lot of it is kind of outside, indoor, outside. And this District 3, this is the cross street. There was a really cool acoustic place called Yoko, which was on this street. So we're going to be going down this street, and we're going to follow it down. So stay tuned. This is going to be one of many Saigon videos where I'm going to be doing different things, but this one's going to be a street one. So stay tuned for that. Vietnam. Okay, I'm going to be introducing the Saigon series. So what I'm going to be doing is doing a whole list of Saigon videos from my time there. I spent maybe 4 or 5 days there filming quite a bit of different streets and different parts of the city. So this is actually the first video, and it's kind of short. The reason it's short is because I decided not to film the whole street, but I saw some interesting stuff, and then I got to a spot where it's like, you know what? I got to turn down a different thing and kind of check out something new. So I'll start doing that for video number 2, 3. So this is basically just an introduction to it. A lot of times I'll be doing a song, but this one I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to do the street with a walk and talk, and then you can see it, and that'll be number 1. And then I'll post another one probably about once every 5 days approximately until I have all of them out there, which is I think there's probably about 30 different Saigon ones. So okay, number 1, Saigon. And a map to see exactly where we are in Saigon. Vietnam! Okay, so that will be this street, and we're just gonna walk down. They have some nice cafes everywhere. Tiger beer. And I think this area, I was in District 1 and I just walked over here. It took about 10 minutes maybe. And this one is more wider sidewalks, but more locals too. When I was in District 1, there's a lot more foreigners. That's the business district, and this one is more laid back, more residential. But I heard that there's a couple live music places over here. So that Yoko, I didn't show it on camera, but I might show it later. I'll probably go back there later. But we're just going to give you an idea. Grab taxis everywhere. I would recommend doing grab taxi. It's quite cheap, and they actually, I kind of trust them, basically. You know, they're registered as well, so like when you're just dealing with the people that are coming up to you, like you don't really know who they are. You know, they'll ask you if you want to ride, and they got their motorcycle, but you don't really know what you're dealing with, so. Okay, you gotta run across. Kind of remind me, I have to. There's some. I like this architecture. So a lot of the Vietnamese in general have narrow homes, but I think this area has kind of a mix. So you can see these kind of typical ones over there, which I really like. People get balconies, and it's like. And then you got some bigger ones like this. This one looks like it has a little bit of history to it. I think I might have heard that a little bit, that, I don't know, there's like some remnants of kind of colonialism, and I think this looks like a remnant of it, but I couldn't really tell you what it is exactly. If you want to look it up though, and you can always tell me what this one is. Looks like we got an international school up here too, and a coffee shop over there. So, okay, let me just kind of, the Tokyo style. I think what I'm gonna do, I don't really want to walk past the international school. So I think what I'm gonna do instead is just like, this is kind of a taste of Saigon. I'm gonna do a different street in a little bit. But this is just kind of lets you know that there's a lot more coming. Check out those ducklings up there, that white one. So anyways, we got a lot more coming, and this is just kind of a short snippet and a taste that I'm in Saigon and I will be filming.
Saigon.